Recently, some Xiaomi Android users have been complaining about SIM activation problems. Unfortunately, their phones keep showing Xiaomi SIM activation service is running, but the SIM card isn't working. Now, if you find that you can use the SIM card and it shows SIM card not activated in Xiaomi device, then you need to watch this video and learn some quick ways to solve your problem. Now, to this problem, first you need to open Setting, scroll down and tap Apps, tap Manage Apps. Now tap the drop-down menu. Type SIM. Now type Xiaomi SIM activation service. Now tap App Permission. Now enable all the access to allow quickly. Now get back here. Scroll down, tap Install the app from unknown sources. Tap Yes. Now restart your device. Now you need to eject your SIM card and wait a while. After that, insert your SIM card into your device again. Now check your problem. Now if you still have issues, do one last work. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing, scroll down, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network and Bluetooth. After resetting your device, your problem should get fixed. But still, if you have issues, you need to either talk to the customer support of Xiaomi device or you can perform a factory reset. After that, your problem will be solved. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please let me know in the comment section.